So yeah, hey everyone, and now we're going to learn what is an emitter. So emitter you can think of as event which happen. So whenever event happen, there is an emitter for that, and what it does is that it has a listener function that is provided as a callback, and that listener is executed. You can assume it similar to like the browser emitters, where event occurs and there's an event listener, and even listener does its job similarly, but we are not in browser anymore. We are in the Node.js environment. Things are different here, but things are pretty similar as well. So how does emitter works? We know that it's module based code like emit.js. Now what we are going to do, we are going to create const event emit, and we're going to require it. So the module class which we need, and it's the events module. So let's write it now, and if I write const this emit, let's name it my emit, and it new event emit. And what will it do now? Let's define the callback function. Let's name it function to it, and if we write I'm doing it, okay, suggestion for it as well. And now if we do my emit dot on, and if you write, no, the event should be like make, what's going to be executed to it function. So and now my emit is going to be emitted, my emit for make. And similarly, now if we run it, let's just save it first and run it. Node, what's the name? Node emit. I'm doing it. Great. Now, what if we want to do something else? Instead of make, we write it my emit dot on. Instead of make, we name it take. Like if we're receiving that package from Postman. Postman is I shouldn't have called it Postman because Postman is used in backend. But let's just forget that. It's nothing related to that. So do it. I'll name it take it and put it here. Function take it, console.log taking it, I taking it back. Yeah. Now instead of giving make, we are shooting a take. What now? What do you expect? I guess you are right. So it's taking it back. It's as simple as that. Now, emitters are used for different things, and one of the common uses is errors. So we use emitters to have for handling errors, and how we can do that. So if I write it again, now is that we will create a function to handle the error. Const handle error. I'm doing it, and this is the code. Suppose this is the code. I am handling, it prints I am handling code. Great. My emit is an error. My emit is the event emit, and limit an event. So what do we need to do now? is that, yeah, my image dot on, yeah, and whenever it my image is emitted, tried error, that's right, 404, if it's suggesting that. And what happens now is that 404 will be printed, taking it back. We are still getting out, we should save it, I guess. Now if we write node emitter and handling 404, okay, as simple as that. It's just that it's getting an error handled error argument. We are passing it, and it's been done like the handle error, which can be thought of as a callback function, and it's console logging the code along with saying that it's handling the error. So this was the part about emit, and now you're going to see what are buffers. So how buffers work? Let's just take